Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
You can make $184 per day on Fiverr.com. Or if I show you how to make $184 per day on Fiverr.com without spending more than 2 hours per day, and you can do all of this just needing a smartphone. Will you promise me to stay all the way to the end of this video? Because if you do, you might find yourself slipping into a new way to make money online, and you can finally say goodbye to the soul-draining 9-to-5 job you have right now. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, online business, and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to join the Takeoff tribe. Also, there is a link to my free YouTube automation masterclass in the description down below. Now let's get into today's video. Let's get into how you can make as much money as possible, $185 per day on Fiverr, with these 7 methods to make money. And they're going to be a little bit easier as we go on. Number 1 is going to be business names. So if you go on Fiverr right here, you can see that I will brainstorm 7 catchy brand names for your business. I will think of 5 original name ideas for your business, brand, or service. You can see that they're actually charging like $95, $40 right here, but little do they know that you can literally do this very simply online with a tool I'm going to show you in a second. So you can go to Magnus, and you can see here that he has a standard name adapted to your business. You can have advanced names and domain name.com if available, and the $75 package, premium name list and extra branding guidelines adapted to your business.com, co-pro biz, as you can see. Now this guy actually has 4.8 stars and he has 6 orders in queue. So that means that he is actually selling this like hotcakes, and he's actually working on these orders right now. There's several different ways to do this. Businessnamegenerator.com is a great one. Here I just put in Dragon right here, Dragon Hyra, DragonX, get a lot of business names right here. Shopify also has a business name generator. You even have a slogan maker, so you can make all these different slogans and you can deliver that to on Fiverr. And then my favorite is actually called namelix.com. And here you can see that I just put in Dragon here, and they pop out dragon.ly, Dragon, Horn Dragon, Dragon Plume, and also they show you the domain that is for sale. So you can see dragonslayer.com is actually a $45,000 domain that you can buy, but they also give you like all these different cool, really awesome dragon related business names. So that's a really easy way that you can do this. The second thing I'm going to show you is ebook formatting. So normally when you write a normal document, like you, for example, did in school, you were sitting there writing your story, just having a good time. Maybe, I don't know how well you like writing and stuff. But what actually happens is that if you're going to publish that as an ebook to Amazon, for example, on Kindle, you need to have a specific formatting for that to work. You need to have a paragraph, you need to have lines, you need to have a table of contents, and all of this different stuff. I actually did Kindle publishing back in the day, and I've actually published like 8 books on Kindle Publish, not under my own name, but this formatting thing was one of the easiest things. You just take the script and then you plop a little bit things in it, and you can do it simply with a software called calibreebook.com. So here you can do it right here. You can also do it with Google Docs, for example, or Google Sheets, and to make it really easy like that. It's a really, really simple service, and you can, as you can see, we actually got level 2 sellers. I will uniquely create Kindle ebook, create space, interior book formatting, Kindle formatting, ebook formatting, all of them starting at $10, and it's a really simple gig that you can start. Or maybe this is for you, maybe the next one is for you. I'm going to show you number 3 right here, which is PowerPoint presentation design. Now, this is one of the most fascinating for me. I really like graphical design and stuff like that, and if I can make somebody happy with more designs, I'm going to be very happy about that, because I'm actually delivering great value to the client that is on here, and maybe this is something you can do too, you know. And it's so simple to do, it's very easy, there's literally no risk here. And what you should do is, and you can also see that you're gonna get paid pretty much a lot of money. So premium presentation right here, 12 hours express delivery available, $75, 5-star rating, and he's actually a seller level 2, which means that he's waking up with orders pretty much every day. You can see that he has 9 orders in queue, so this guy is actually making a lot of money even with like 12-hour express available. So what you need to do in order to do this is you can go to free-powerpoint-templates-design.com, and you can find like economical stock market PowerPoint templates, global logistics network PowerPoint templates, professional basketball player. You can see all these templates, and the next website you can go to is called PowerPointify.com. Here you can also see that they have IDA PowerPoint template, all of these really cool templates, and this is stuff that I actually used to use in my business. Now I don't really do that much PowerPoint presentation anymore, and these are really good. And the last one is actually slidescarnival.com, and what's special about Slides Carnival is that they have Google Slides. So I don't really have PowerPoint. I used to have it back in the day. Now I only use Google Slides because it's free, it's easy to use. So you can literally click here, you can use as Google Slides, and immediately you can use this as your template. So when this loads right here, you can see that they have all these really cool slides. Here you have the transition headlines, they have all the different slides that you can use in order for you to fulfill the order for your client is happy, and then you basically make money. You can also say that I have 20 different templates. Tell me which of the 20 do you want me to basically plug your presentation into and make look good. That's another way that you can do it. Now I'm going to show you the fourth method, which is really simple, probably the simplest Fiverr gig that you can start making money with right away. Number 4 is going to be pretty much the simplest one, which is background removal. If you have any skills in Photoshop or something like that, this is really simple for you. But if you don't even have skills in Photoshop, don't worry, man. I'm gonna show you a tool in a second. So I will do background removal bulk images. I will retouch product and remove background complex images. Pretty much, if you have a background and you want it removed, you can do that very simply. And the tool that I'm going to show you right now is burner.bonanza.com. And as you can see, you can just literally drop your image right here. And what happens right here is you can see this sumo wrestler is about to eat these kids. And you can basically take out the background here. So you just choose this image, you do a little bit of line work, and if it isn't perfect, you can actually select, yeah, just like this. They actually got this with it, but you can select that and you can make it look really good. And then all of a sudden, you got a really nice transparent background from this image. And it's really simple to use, and you can make a lot of money with this on Fiverr. The key problem with this is that it's really simple to do, so there might be a lot of competition for this one, but a really good one to look into either way. Number 5 is going to be to add subtitles, but with a very simple trick that makes this so fast for you. And you can see right here, they have video captions, they have subtitles, and you can even have translations. And they're all starting at a pretty low fee right here. And the reason for that is that you will use this software, or not this software, but essentially you will take the video file that they have given to you and you will upload that on YouTube. For example, this $105 a day Fiverr beginner strategy. If I just click on subtitles right here, you can see that if I just go all the way to the right, I can click options and I can actually download the entire subtitle file for this video. Now, It isn't gonna be perfect. It's gonna be a little bit wonky here and there, but this will make like 95% of the work all automated for you. All you have to do, read through it all, make sure it looks good, and then you can deliver on the promise of the Fiverr gig. It's really that simple. Now, Fiverr gig number 6, which is the second to last, is short video ads. And this might seem like very hard to do or something, but it's literally not. If you're making like an Instagram ad or a Facebook ad, it really is just a couple of stock photos, stock images, or stock video with a little bit of text, a little bit of voice in the background. And I can see if I can find an example right here of something that looks like that. Yeah, you can pretty much see it here, right? As you can see, stock video, text on top of it, and it's really that simple. Now, and these sell for a lot. And that's the key with this. I think this is probably one of the best ones. You can see that this is a 5 to 30 second video made with footage provided by buyer or stock plus custom motion graphics and background music and more. $135 from just that. He doesn't even make it original. It's all stock footage or from other people that have given him some of the video. Now you can also do 30 to 90 seconds, which is going to be exactly the same. Premium 90 to 600 seconds, $325. Now you're gonna laugh when I show you this. And this software is something I use all the time, but I use it mainly to make YouTube videos. I have multiple YouTube channels, and this is the software I use to like turn a script into a video really fast. Now they also have e-commerce ads. They also have Instagram ads. They also have influencer ads. So if I just click, or I'm gonna sign in. Now that I'm inside, you can see that I've made a lot of videos with this. Now I'm gonna blur it because I don't want you guys to steal my niche. However, just click on create a new video in the top right, and you can just click one of the templates. And if it's gonna be a square or whatever, we can go like viral orange, viral purple, and you can just click on use this template. Now, the script for this video you will get from your customers, so let me just write something. So here I have a pretty simple commercial script. I create the scenes, and what happens is that they actually take the script and they turn like they have all these images that look so cool in the background. So for example, he's the reason I go for long walks and the reason I take Sunday afternoon naps. You can click here, and then if you don't like that it's walk or naps, you can click on walks, and then all of a sudden you can have some Sunday afternoon walks in here. And then you can click on this. Oh, maybe I don't like the water, but what about happy? Just like that. What a wonderful peace sign right there. And you can customize it really simple, but here is the best part. You can click on voice right here, and then you can click on record your own voice track. And just like that, I can click on record here and just listen up. He's the reason I go for long walks, and the reason I take Sunday afternoon naps. And just like that, it recorded the entire thing, and then I can just click on next, and I can record the next sentence and the next sentence. And if you don't want a voiceover, you can actually just click on preview video, and you can add any of like these 30,000 music tracks available. So I bet your customer will be pretty happy about this. I'm not gonna sell you this software. It's just that I really like this software for myself and my students. And if you go to ndiafl.com/vidnami, you can actually get a 20% discount code of just using my link. So it's a easy bonus for you, and that's an affiliate link, so I will make money for that, but it's just the best software ever. Now the last and final way that you can make money on Fiverr as a complete beginner, pretty simply, is to make logo intro animations. And basically what this means is that you take a logo from somebody, they have a logo already, and you plop it into like a template software that makes all these intro animations done for you. It's really, really simple. And I'm gonna show you an example right here. So this guy, I will create a 15 epic logo intro video animations. And if you just click right here, you'll see you can see that this is pretty much a template that they just place the logo into this template, and it's really, really simple. And if we actually go into this guy, he has 4.9 seller rating. He actually has 830 reviews, and he has 11 orders in queue. You can see here that he has 5 videos, 5 intro animations, standard, 10 videos, premium, $35 for 15 videos right here. Now, how are you gonna deliver on this right here? And essentially, what you need to get started is a logo with a transparent background. And please note, I don't design logos. I have no custom animations. See available videos in the link above, and they will actually send you a list of like 50 different templates that you can choose from, and you're like 5, 6, 12, 14 and stuff like that, and he will just deliver that to you. And how he delivers that to you is through a tool that my personal favorite, which is like the biggest template and intro outro animation company in the world, is actually Videos. If you just click on category right here and we just click on logo, you can see that there's 422 logo designs or intro animation types. And you can see this one, cartoonish logo, just like that. That is the logo. 2D logo, just like that. Pretty much a little bit of a reveal. What about adaptive logo stinger? Oh. And just like that, you have the logo, and they have 400 ones that you can choose from. Again, I am an affiliate for this one as well, so if you want to get the best deal, you can go to andyfl.com/video.